Okay, guys, remember the seeds I planted? These are, well, shit, at this point, I don't have a clue. Oh, these are peas. I got them a little thing to grow. I think these are green onions. This is either cilantro or green pepper. I don't know. These little guys have been through hell. I mean, really. And I have 4 little tomatoes on this plant right here. One over here. Wait, where'd you go? One over here. And I've got a bunch of new, hold on. Okay, got some flowers going on here, which means more tomatoes. And I'm so happy. They look so cute. There's another little, hey, there's another little start. Yeah, I'm surprised these guys did anything because I took them to Tennessee with me in the van. They fell out twice. I had to put them back in the containers. So I'm amazed that they're doing anything. Hold on. Ooh. Sammy, I was only out. I was just outside for a little bit. I was working the lower 40. Planting. Those poor little plants. I'm telling you, they've been through hell. Yeah, I decided to, I might have told you this, but, I'm sorry. I forget. I'm old. So, I do the seeds right before I go to Tennessee, right? Well, I decided I have to take care of my plant babies. So I took them with me, all right? So, I'm gone a couple weeks. In that 2 weeks, they were smashed on. They fell off the cabinet in the van. So I had to put them in their little pots and stuff. Not once, but twice. So as you can see, some of them survived my taking care of them. I just told Tom, I said, if we had to survive on my gardening skills, we would all freaking starve. But I'm trying, I might cheat. Yes, you heard me here. I said it. I might cheat and go buy a couple of small plants, like because at this point, I have no idea what half of them are. Okay, I don't know if it's cilantro or it's the green pepper. Who knows? So what I'm going to do is go out and get a green pepper plant and see if I can do any better with that. I'm not upset. Well, I am kind of upset, but not really because, I'm not an expert. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Okay? I do know a couple little things, but, you know, uh, the directions on the seed package are a lot different when I looked it up online, like how much light it needs, blah, 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 when you can plant them. Yeah, everything is contradictory. So I have to plant the gourds and the sunflowers seeds that I got from a subscriber. Thank you, thank you, thank you. um, I'm excited because I've always wanted to grow gourds. You know, it's the one of there's those things you see on the side of the road, the round ones with the neck and with a little hole in it for bird houses. You know, they're round. Yeah, I'm gonna try and grow some of them. Ow! Oh, okay, go. Jeez, he attacks me when I come in. Now he went, leave me alone. Leave me alone. No, you're not getting back up. Oh no. Oh no. Where's your baby? Did you bring your baby here? Nope. Going for food. So anywho, yeah, I'm gonna be showing some pictures of some plants and yeah. So if you're planting anything or growing anything, send me a picture through my email, badkitty@305.com. No, no, no. Scratch that. Badkitty305 at gmail.com. Okay. And I'll also have it in the description. So I'd love to see some plants, and that'll be fun. That'll be fun. So, anywho, I'm gonna go for now. I might be back later. Depends on how busy I get today because we're going to the commissary on base and getting some food. So I don't know how long I'll be gone. And uh, that's about it. I'm planning on getting some meat type stuff so I can can some hamburger and chicken. That's what I got planned for next weekend while the kids are gone. Uh, so I won't have to worry about, anything. So anyway, take it easy. Take the long way home. And see you later. Woo, woo. Woo, woo.